Oh hey, it's Anissa. Today I'm bringing you my new favorite pen. Now this isn't any ordinary pen, this is actually a voice recording pen. And what I love about it is, it's not only a great writing pen, it's so easy to use, and get this, you can record up to 768 hours of recordings on one single included SD card. I love taking this to my doctors, and it's especially handy in work meetings. But it's also fun. I love recording all my great nephews and nieces when they're babbling because they're so young and I don't want to lose that. There's so many things to love about this pen. You can record for 25 hours on a single charge. But then the magic is all located in this compartment. You've got your SD card right here that you can remove and plug into your media reader to transfer it into your computer, but you can use this little port. This port does a lot of different things. Use the included cord to charge it or to transfer to your computer. If that's not enough, you can use the included earbuds to listen back to anything you've recorded. Now I've been using this a lot and I noticed one thing. I plugged it in and I couldn't hear anything. I had to hit the volume up until the sound came through. It's so easy to use. Simply long press to turn on recording. To pause it, just do a quick short press. Then you can resume recording by quickly pushing it again. And then to save and shut it off, simply long press again. There's no speaker in here, so you do have to use the included earbuds to listen to directly from here. Now this is a great kit. They've even included 10 ink refills, so this is gonna last you virtually a lifetime. And we've got an amazing price. We saw the same kit online for $100. You're not gonna pay anywhere near that, nothing near that. In fact, our price is so low, we're gonna sell out quickly, so make sure you head on over to PulseTV and grab your kit today.